The Vocabulary Flashcard module offers an easy way to view flashcards for the vocabulary of the entire Greek New Testament or Hebrew Old Testament, for a book, or for a verse range. To open the Vocabulary Flashcard module, go to Tools on the main menu, then click Language Tools and Vocabulary Flashcard module. By default, the Vocabulary Flashcard module loads the file that has the vocabulary of the Greek New Testament, but it will retain your settings from the last choices you made for the Vocabulary Flashcard module. The buttons on the button bar enable you to move from word to word, much like you would view flashcards. With the arrow button, check particular words as learned or not learned. Automatically display words after a specific time. Or to pronounce the word for you.
Amy. Lego. Ace.